In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure your Salesforce org by implementing organization-level security measures in Salesforce. This guide will help you enhance the overall security framework of your Salesforce environment to protect sensitive data and ensure regulatory compliance. Let's begin by logging into Salesforce. Once you're in, move your attention to the Setup menu, which you can access by clicking the gear icon located at the top right corner of your page. From there, dive into the Advanced Setup section, which is your control hub for making significant configuration adjustments. Next, you'll want to make use of the Quick Find box, which is a fantastic tool for quickly finding settings without having to navigate through countless menus. Type in Session Settings to zero in on the session-related security options. Once you're there, it's important to ensure that you've enabled key features such as session timeout, login IP ranges, and trusted IPs. These settings control how long users can stay logged in without activity, restrict access to Salesforce from specified IP addresses, and also provide an extra layer of security by recognizing trusted IPs from which users can access your org. Proceed by using Quick Find again, but this time search for password policies. This is where you'll establish robust password settings. Password length, expiration periods, and complexity are fundamental aspects to consider here. By enforcing strong password policies, you significantly reduce the risk of unauthorized access. Your next stop in Quick Find should be Profiles. Here, use login hours and IP restrictions tailored for different profiles to manage when and where your users can log in. For instance, you might want to restrict access to certain times of the day or limit logins to specific IP addresses, enhancing layer security by controlling access more precisely. To maintain oversight on administrative changes, search for Audit Trail in Quick Find. Enable Audit Trail to track changes within your setup, giving you a detailed record of who changed what and when. This is key for accountability and reviewing past actions during security audits. Move on to sharing settings via Quick Find to review how your data is shared within your organization. Ideally, set default access levels to private wherever possible. This ensures that only authorized individuals have access to sensitive data, thus reducing the risk of unintentional data exposure. Finally, perform a health check, which you can also access through Quick Find. Enabling health check gives you a bird's-eye view of your Salesforce org security posture, highlighting potential vulnerabilities and offering recommendations to address them. By following these steps, you'll establish a robust security setup for your Salesforce environment, protecting your valuable data and enhancing compliance with industry standards. Remember, regular review and adjustment of these settings is crucial as your organization grows and evolves. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you bolster your Salesforce security framework.